Um, Hello everybody, I will be doing chapter 6 from page 102 as my partner did chapter 6 from the beginning up until chapter 102. So looping through a dictionary's keys in a particular order. Looping through a dictionary returns the items in the same order they were inserted. Sometimes though you'll want to loop through a dictionary in a different order. One way to do this is to sort the keys as they've returned in the for loop. You can use the sorted function to get a copy of the keys in order. So we have favorite languages is equals to Jen, Python, Sarah's favorite language is C, Edward's favorite language is Rust, and Phil's favorite language is Python. So for name in sorted favorite languages dot keys, print f string named dot title. Thank you for taking the poll. Let's try. Okay, let me clear that. Clear our terminal. Okay, it's taking too long to print. My laptop is very slow. So for statement is like other for statement, except that we've read the sorted function around the dictionary.keys method. This tells Python to get all the keys in the dictionary and sort them before starting the loop. The output shows everyone who took the poll with the names displayed in order. So here we go. Edward, thank you for taking the poll. Jen, thank you for taking the poll. Phil, thank you for taking the poll. Sarah, thank you for taking the poll. And this is sorted in alphabetical order, the names. And then looking through all values in the dictionary, we have, let me comment this out. Okay, we have so we have print the following languages have been mentioned. For language in favorite language dot values, print language dot title, and then it will put okay, wait, it is so I'm gonna try printing it out. Okay, there we go. Jen's favorite language is Python. Sarah's favorite language is C. Edward's favorite language is Rust. Phil's favorite language is Python. And these are the languages are in title form, unlike how they were in our dictionary. So we have nesting, a list of dictionaries. The alien dictionary contains a variety of information about one alien, but it has no room to store information about a second alien. So we have aliens.py. Let me close this. In alien.py, we have alien 0, alien 1, alien 2, and aliens is equal to alien 0, alien 1, alien 2. For alien and aliens, print alien. And so let me clear the terminal. So we have We first created 3 dictionaries, each representing a different alien. And then we store each of these dictionaries in a list called aliens. And we loop through the list, which is color, green points 5, color, yellow points 10, color, red points 15. And then we print the length of the list to prove we've actually generated a full fleet of 30 aliens. These aliens all have the same characteristics, but Python considers each one a separate object, which allows us to modify each alien individually. How so we are going to try modifying one of the aliens individually. So it's this for alien in aliens. Index 3 with alien color green, yellow, medium, point 10, and then elif, and then we have an elif statement, which is 0, red, false, 15. And then we print that out. It shows the color, the point, and the speed. A list in a dictionary. We're going to use pizza.py. Rather than putting a dictionary inside a list, it's sometimes useful to put a list inside a dictionary. For example, we consider how we might describe a pizza that someone is ordering. If we were to use only a list, all we could really store is a list of the pizza toppings. With a dictionary, a list of toppings can just be one aspect of the pizza we're describing. So in the following pizza.py, we store information about a pizza being ordered. So pizza, crust, thick, toppings, mushrooms, and extra cheese. And then we summarize the order. Print F string, you ordered a pizza, the crust pizza with the following toppings. And then for topping in pizza toppings, print F string T topping. Let's try printing that out. So we began with a dictionary that holds information about a pizza that has been ordered, and then one key in the dictionary is crust, and the associated value is the string thick. The next key is toppings, that has a list as its value that stores all requested toppings. So we summarize the order before building the pizza. So to access the list of toppings, we use the key toppings, and Python grabbed the list of toppings from the dictionary. So the following output summarizes the pizza that we plan to build. You ordered a thick crust pizza with the following toppings: mushrooms and extra cheese. And then we have a dictionary in a dictionary. Many users.py. We can nest the dictionary inside another dictionary, but our code can get complicated quickly when we do. For example, if we have several users for a website, each with a unique username, we can use the username as the keys in the dictionary. We can then store information about each user by using a dictionary as the value associated with the username. So we have many users.py. So we have users Einstein, first Albert, last Einstein, location Princeton. And then we have Curie, first name Mary, last Curie, location Paris. And then for username, user info in users items, print f string username. So and then full name, F-string user info first, user info last, location user info location, and then print F-string full name dot title, print F-string location dot title. Let's print this out. So username Einstein, username M Curie, full name Mary Curie, location Paris. So we defined our dictionary called users with two keys, one each for the usernames Einstein and M Curie. The value associated with each key is a dictionary that includes each user's first name and last name and their location. And Python assigns keys to the variable username, and the dictionary associated with each username is assigned to the variable user info. And then we start accessing the inner dictionary, the variable user info, which contains the dictionary of user information. And we use the key to generate a neatly formatted full name and location for each person. So we are done with chapter 6, and in this chapter we learned how to define a dictionary, how to work with the information stored in a dictionary, how to access and modify individual elements in a dictionary, and how to look through all of the information in a dictionary. We look through a dictionary key value pairs, its keys and its values. We learned how to nest multiple dictionaries in a list, nest lists in a dictionary, and nest a dictionary inside a dictionary. That's the end of the video. Thank you.